Vitals stable? Heart rate normal? You're not afraid of me anymore, are you, little one?
Drink this. It might reverse it. I'm so sorry.
Just watched the video I created using AI, using Seedance 2.0 on a platform called AKOOL. Let me show you exactly how I built that scene and everything I did to create this video, step by step. But before that, I have big news about this platform. You're not gonna believe this. AKOOL just launched a competition for every creator in the world. If you create a video and submit it, you can actually earn money. There are only 53 days, 22 hours, and 9 minutes left. Right now, over 312 people have already submitted their videos, and that's in just about 2 months. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take part in this competition and how to use this platform from start to finish. Let me scroll down and show you the rewards. There's a grand prize. Third place can win $30,000. Imagine that, $30,000. There's also a Most Creative Award with $15,000. Another one is called Best Ad, also worth $15,000. Then there are the AKOOL picks, 10 winners chosen as some of the best submissions. Every single one of those 10 creators earns $1,000. And finally, there's the creator bonus. Every qualified submission earns you $100, completely free, just for entering. Now, let me show you how to actually join this competition. Click Enter to Win. Once you click that, you'll see the page for AKOOL, the Creator Cash Bash, with creator rewards totaling up to $300,000, plus that $100 creator bonus for every qualified submission. Before you submit your video, there are a few requirements you need to know. Your video must be created using Seedance 2.0 on the AKOOL platform. You must include the AKOOL logo in your video. You'll find the logo available to download right on their site. You must publish your video on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. You must tag hashtag #AKOOLCrash. The same official tag works across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And mention at AKOOL Inc. Once you scroll down, here's how you submit. Enter your first name, last name, personal email, and the AKOOL email you use to log in. Then paste the URL link to your posted video, accept the terms, and click Enter to Win. That's it. Good luck. Now let me show you how to actually create the video from scratch. Go to your browser, search AKOOL. You'll see the official link at the top. Make sure it's the one with the AKOOL logo. Click on it and you'll land on their homepage. Turn ideas into reality with generative AI tools for marketing. This platform is free and it offers a lot. If you scroll down, you'll see the same competition banner. Creators sharing up to $300,000 in rewards, plus that $100 creator bonus for every submission. Click on products. You'll see everything this platform can do. Video generation, image generation, voice cloning, text-to-speech, video-to-video, face swap, and more. It's genuinely packed with tools. But let's focus on what matters most for this tutorial. Click Image, then choose Image Generator. Scroll down and you'll see two options, text to image and image to image. Since I want to use my own face, I click image to image. Scrolling down further, you'll see different models available. Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5.0 Pro, AKOOL version 2, GPT image, and more. For this tutorial, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. I upload my photo and write, use my photo. Then I go to my Google document. I've already prepared a master prompt you can use for any video idea. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. I copy the image prompt for scene 1 from my document and paste it here. After pasting, I click Image, select one image, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and set the resolution up to 4K. Then I click Generate. And there it is. This is the first image I'll use in my scene. I go back to my document, copy the prompt for scene 2, come back to AKOOL, paste it, and click Generate. Here's an important trick though. Instead of starting from scratch, I upload the image from scene 1 and continue from there using the new prompt. This keeps my character consistent across every scene, so it actually looks like the same person throughout the entire video. That's how I create every single image for my scenes. Once your images are downloaded, go to your folder and rename each one. Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on. This makes it much easier to keep track of which image goes where when you're building your video. Back on AKOOL, click Image Generator again, then choose Image to Video. Under Model, select Seedance 2.0. This is required for the competition, so make sure you're using this specific model. You'll be asked to upload a start frame and an end frame. The end frame is optional. Choose your video length. I use 15 seconds. Set your resolution to 4K and make sure your audio is turned on. If you scroll down, you can also adjust your camera angle, slow motion, linear movement, and more. Set your frame ratio to 16:9. Click Start Frame, then Upload File, and select Image 1, the one I already renamed earlier. Then go back to your master prompt document. Copy the video prompt for Scene 1, paste it into the text box, and click Generate. Your video starts generating immediately, and there it is. The first scene is done.
Vitals stable? Heart rate normal? You're not afraid of me anymore, are you, little one?
Download it. I go back to my document, copy the prompt for Scene 2, upload Image 2 as the new start frame, paste the prompt, and click Generate. This is how you build each scene. And once you have several, you combine them together. Let me play Scene 2 for you so you can see how it turned out. For Scene 3, same process. Click Upload File, choose Image 3, copy and paste the Scene 3 prompt, and click Generate. And there it is, Scene 3 is done. You repeat this exact process for Scene 4 and every scene after that. Upload the matching image, paste the matching prompt, and generate. That's genuinely the entire workflow. Once all your scenes are created, I move into my editing software. I personally use CapCut. I click Upload, select all the video scenes I downloaded from AKOOL, and start editing them together. One important thing to remember, you must insert the AKOOL logo somewhere in your final video. This is a required part of the competition submission. Let me play the complete edited video for you now.
Vitals stable? Heart rate normal? You're not afraid of me anymore, are you, little one?
Drink this. It might reverse it. I'm so sorry.